Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is the beach accessory that you didn't know you needed. This Turkish towel beach poncho from Nova Blue is my new favorite thing to bring to the beach with me. It's super cozy. I love this tie-dye fun color pattern, and it is so comfortable. It has these great pockets on the front. It's hooded, so it really helps when you need to dry your hair as well as your body. It's super fast absorbing and dries so quickly, so you don't have to worry about taking home a wet towel. I love how thin these are, so they're nice and lightweight, so you can wear them on the beach without getting overheated, but you don't have a big bulky towel taking up all kinds of space. These are perfect if you are a surfer and you need to change in and out of your wetsuit on the beach, or maybe you just need to change in or out of your bathing suit while at the ocean. You can do that safely without showing off anything that you shouldn't with this poncho. If you are a beach lover, I think this is the perfect towel for you. It is so comfortable, it is beautiful, and I really think it is super, super high quality. I could not recommend it enough, and that is my point of view.